Hello. Today we will learn English through coding. We will talk about C programming in a simple way.
Hello, sir. I want to learn English, but I also want to understand programming. Sometimes English words confuse me.
That is okay. We will go slowly. We will use simple English. First question. What is C programming?
C programming is a programming language. We use it to give instructions to the computer. Is that correct?
Yes, very good. Your sentence is correct. Now, listen carefully. A computer does not understand English. A computer does not understand Telugu.
Okay, sir. Then how does a computer understand?
Good question. A computer understands only machine language. Machine language means 0 and 1.
0 and 1. Binary language. I heard this word before.
Yes, binary language. Now tell me, can humans think in 0 and 1?
No, sir. Humans think in logic. Humans think in steps.
Correct. Very good English. Because of this problem, programming languages were created. C is one such programming language.
So C is like a bridge between human thinking and computer understanding.
Excellent sentence. Yes, C is a bridge. This is how English improves. You are thinking and speaking.
So why do people say C is important for beginners?
Good question. C helps beginners understand how memory works, how variables are stored, how programs run inside the computer.
So if I learn C, my basics will become strong.
Yes, your foundation will be strong. Now say this sentence after me. C builds a strong programming foundation.
C builds a strong programming foundation.
Good. Clear pronunciation. Now, next question. Where is C used?
C is used in operating systems. C is used in embedded systems. C is used in compilers.
Perfect. Your English is improving. See, we are learning coding and English together.
Sir, modern languages are easier. Why should I learn C?
Nice question. Modern languages hide memory. C does not hide memory. C gives responsibility to the programmer. That makes you a better thinker.
I understand, sir. C teaches how a computer thinks.
Exactly. That sentence is very important. Now say it clearly.
C teaches how a computer thinks.
Very good. This is how a Telugu student can learn English while learning coding. Slowly, clearly, with confidence.
Thank you, sir. I feel more confident now. I want to continue learning like this.
Good. In the next session, we will learn how a C program works internally, step by step in simple English.